Today in Balghari kitchen I'm going to make Balalit. Keep watching Balghari kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments. Let me take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for making Balalit, which is very popular breakfast dish. This dish is very famous in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman and United Arab Emirates. So I'm going to make it this one in Balghari kitchen today. Keep watching Balghari kitchen. I have hot water, vermicelli, egg for making omelet. I'm going to use brown sugar, ghee, oil, salt, cardamom powder. Here I soaked some saffron. So keep watching Balghari kitchen for this special dish, Balalit. Viewers, let's start our Balalit. Take one pan, adding some oil on it. Make sure it's hot. Once it's hot, add the vermicelli. Half of the vermicelli right now, half we'll put later on. Saute until it's brown. Keep sauteing all together. So keep sauteing until it's brown. Let's see. Let's start converting into brown. Keep cooking. Keep sauteing until it's getting brown. You can see now it's starting brown color. And it's very famous traditional dish for Emirat. For breakfast, add the rest of them. Just saute. Use the hot water. And cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. So we were while our vermicelli is cooking, I'm going to make omelet, which is going to put on the Balalit. So using 3 eggs, adding pinch of salt, take the frying pan, make it hot, and add oil, and then add the egg and cook like omelet. Oh, look at this, our vermicelli is getting cooked. Then we can strain the water. You can see the omelet now. We need to fold into. You can see now we fold the omelet and cook for underside. So now our Balalit is cooked. We need to strain the water. Close the flame. I'm going to strain the water. So I'm going to strain the extra water. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add ghee. Let's add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add our stained vermicelli again. Mix nicely together. Add sugar, cardamom powder, saffron. Nicely, cook nicely until 4 to 5 minutes. Very nice, tasty Balalit is going to be ready. Another couple of minutes. Keep cover for 1 to 2 minutes. So viewers, our Balalit is ready. I'm going to dish out, switch off the flame. I'm going to put in a bowl, and then I'm going to transfer into the plate. So we first take one plate and put it on the cover, and then I'm going to turn upside down like this, and then you can serve the omelet on the top. So viewers, our beautiful Balalit is ready. So So viewers, our beautiful Balalit breakfast is ready. Let's our favorite segment. I'm going to taste. You can cut the eggs, the omelet, and then you're going to take it for vermicelli like this way. Believe me, very delicious breakfast. You can try in your kitchen. It's very easy to make. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for upcoming videos. Subscribe Balghari Kitchen always. Don't forget to give your beautiful comments in the comment section for this beautiful Balalit. I'm going to enjoy now. You can also enjoy preparing your kitchen following my recipe. Thank you so much for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. Ta-ta.